And good evening. Thanks for joining us on a Monday night. I'm Tom Yamas, in for David. And as we come on the air tonight, the coronavirus surging across more than half the country. At least 14 states pausing their reopening, some putting newly lifted restrictions back in place. There are now more than 126,000 American lives lost. The WHO issuing a blunt warning saying, quote, "This is not even close to being over." Florida reporting thousands of new cases. Take a look. Long lines of cars waiting for hours at testing sites in Miami Gardens. Jacksonville, host of the GOP convention, now issuing a mandatory mask order. Texas, with nearly 4,300 cases in 24 hours. Houston's fire chief saying paramedics are responding to nearly 1,100 calls per shift, most of them respiratory issues. And breaking news in Arizona on new closures, with some hospitals near 90% capacity. The governor moments ago issuing new shutdown orders for many businesses. Alarming numbers in Los Angeles County now with more than 100,000 cases after reporting its largest single-day increase. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo considering delaying phase 3 of reopening because of the rapid rise in cases in other parts of the country. And some governors urging President Trump to require everyone to wear a mask in public. ABC's Marcus Moore is in Texas to lead us off tonight.
Tonight, doctors say the coronavirus is spreading like a wildfire across the country. In Houston, paramedics working around the clock, crews suiting up in PPE, treating every call as a possible COVID case.
In the last couple days, we've doubled and tripled our call volume.
This team racing to save a patient in cardiac arrest, but sadly, it was not enough to save a 55-year-old man. Texas trying to halt the flood of patients. The governor ordering bars closed.
If I could have done anything differently, it would have been to delay the opening of bars.
Still, this was the scene at a restaurant last night in Houston. Bars shut down in 7 California counties, including LA County, where cases hit 100,000 today. In Tennessee, where cases reach new records, singer Chase Rice facing backlash after posting this video from his concert over the weekend. Fans seen packed together singing along without masks. At this Planet Fitness in West Virginia, officials warning over 200 patrons may have been exposed. Bars across Florida are now closed again, where hospitalizations have climbed for 15 days. And now backlash after mayors announced beach closures for the 4th of July.
We feel that we will not be able to provide the necessary safe environment that everyone is entitled to enjoy when they come to our beaches. Yes, sir.
The governor of New York today signaling he may pump the brakes on restarting indoor dining after seeing what's happening in other states.
Our reopenings have worked very well. We're not going backwards.
The governor later tweeting, "Wake up, America. COVID is getting worse, not better." The White House is in denial. Cases now climbing in 32 states. But tonight there is no national strategy to face an exploding crisis. The health secretary warning time is running out.
The window is closing. We have to act, and people as individuals have to act responsibly.
But it comes amid mixed messages. The vice president pushing masks at his Dallas campaign event.
And wear a mask wherever it's indicated, or wherever you're not able to practice the kind of social distancing that would prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
Pence wearing a mask himself, but watching a 100-person choir sing without mask before a crowd of 2,000 people. In just the last 24 hours, 28,000 more Americans infected with the virus, so many of them young. 29-year-old Allie Guidry, a pregnant mother from Louisiana, losing her battle with COVID, but doctors able to deliver her baby girl 4 months early before her mom passed away. And in Florida, 17-year-old Chantel Salas is up and talking after spending more than a month on a ventilator. She was infected with the virus.
I feel like God gave me a second chance to live life.
That 17-year-old survivor right there. And Marcus joins us now from Houston. And Marcus, we're learning more tonight about that rare inflammatory disease affecting children.
Tom, researchers have found 300 cases of the syndrome, and we're talking about children who were experiencing this syndrome weeks after contracting COVID-19. And 80% of the cases, they needed intensive care, and a handful actually passed away. And that's significant, Tom, because of the vast majority of the children were healthy before contracting COVID-19. Tom.
Still so many questions about that mysterious syndrome. All right.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.